Example number 4, product and quotient of complex numbers. So let us focus first in product. The question here is to find 2 cosine pi pi over 3 plus I sin pi pi over 3 times 4 cosine pi pi over 6 plus I sin pi over 6. So this pi pi over 3 is the first theta 1, and then pi over 6 is the theta 2. Next, so I converted pi over 6 into 300, so pi over 3 into 300. And then, so theta 1 is equals to 300. And then theta 2 is equals to 30. This is in terms of degrees. Though it is optional if you will convert it or no. In polar form, then express the product in rectangular form. The formula that you will apply in product is C1 or C sub 1 times C sub 2 is equals to R sub 1 times R sub 2 bracket cosine theta 1 plus theta 2. So the additions of theta 1 and theta 2 plus I sin additions of theta 1 and theta 2. Where can you find theta 1 and theta 2? From the first, or theta 1 is from the Z1, the first angle, and then for the theta 2 from Z2, the second angle. So let us solve. So C1 times Z2 is equals to R1 is whatever the value outside the parentheses. So 2 times 4 bracket, I'll copy cosine. What is the first angle? The first angle is 300 and the second angle is 30 plus I sin. The first angle is 300 plus 30. So Z1 times Z2 is equals to multiplication 8 times cosine 330 is 330 plus I sin 330 is 330. Next, distributive property, or if you want, it's better if you will convert this first, or you can directly press in your calculator 8 times cosine 330. So it's equals to, or let us directly press it. 8 cosine 330, 330 is equal to 4 the square root of 3. So this is 4 square root of 3. Then 8 times I sin 330. So 8 times sin 330. So answer is negative 4. So this will become minus 4 then I. So this is the final answer.